Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable paying bills in the US with the Cash App Card detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable paying bills in the US with your Cash App Card, start by ensuring you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device. Open the Cash App and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the home screen. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Cash Card. If you haven't ordered your Cash Card yet, follow the prompts to request one. Once your Cash Card is activated, return to the main page of the app. Tap on the Banking tab, which features a bank icon. From here, select Add a Bill. Enter the name of the biller you wish to pay, such as your utility or rent provider. Fill in the biller's information as requested, including account number and payment details. After entering all the necessary details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Next to proceed. Choose the amount you want to pay from the available balance. Select the payment date that suits you. If instant payments are available, you can opt for that for quicker processing. Tap Confirm to process the payment. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating that the payment has been initiated. Keep track of your payment in the Activity section of the app. Repeat the process for any additional bills you wish to pay using your Cash App Card. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your bill payments right from your Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.